Here we are at Plassers level crossing in Greater London with Swagboy 900. Time now is 11:32 on Saturday the 17th of June 2023. This will be the service that terminates here. It will possibly be a Great Western Railway 165.
No, it's actually a DD UK 66.
Alright. It possibly in an EWS livery. This is actually filmed featuring near Haskerty at the time this was filmed. EWS were drawn, I think. Oh. It's actually... It's actually a 66. 66040. As you can see, the barriers are built in 2014. It's not a 165 actually. According to my friend, it's actually 2 DB Cargo UK 66 in a EWS livery kind of thing. And on the rear is 66 103. I think it's terminated. And up they go the barriers. Oh, it's actually the passenger platform 4, I think.